guys ain't gonna look at me here at all. As the sick as being only.
Man, your mom, I swear she's crazy. Like, what she think we even gonna do?
Probably something stupid as per usual.
Thanks for sending Leo where the basement's at. You can leave now.
No, I think I'd rather stay. I actually like this song.
What's about it ended?
Well, I can talk to Leo and Dave.
No, because they're my friends and they don't want to talk to you. Right, guys?
Jay!
Go watch your vampire werewolves or whatever it's called.
It's called Vampire Diaries.
Bro, she took the chips!
You only eat cookies anyways.
Mr. Fee, what's going on?
It's Alex.
What happened?
He's dead.
What?
No, don't go in there. Don't.
Rise and shine!
What are you doing?
Get up! School starts at 7:30 this morning.
Let go, we'll go to school in the summer anyway.
Idiots like you who failed during the actual school year.
What does that make you a straight A student? You know you're not required to go to summer school.
I'm taking courses in the summer so I can take more advancements during the year.
Oh my god, you're so lame. There's a thing called fun. Maybe you could try it out sometime.
I do have fun.
School doesn't count.
So pathetic. Maybe you found your own friends instead of always bothering me and mine. You have some more fun.
Just get dressed.
Me.
Shit. Yeah. Hello? This is Detective Gordon. Yeah, how can I help you? Yes, I'm gonna stop by there right after I finish at the coroner's office. Yeah, they said besides the blood, there's no other physical signs of trauma. Yeah, it's weird. But I'll tell you right now. Yeah, this boy's definitely dead. Whether there's signs or not, he's definitely kicked the bucket. I'll head over right now. Hey Susie, I was wondering if you're free later. We can... Hello? Hello? Guess not. Well, do you want to hear the good news or the bad news?
I guess the bad news first.
The boy's dead, all right.
Well, will you look at that? Gordon with another genius observation. No wonder you're on your way to becoming a mall cop.
So what's the good news?
Good news, he's not coming back. Well, you know, at least he's not a blood-sucking vampire or a brain-eating zombie. That would be bad news. Too soon? Okay, let's go sit down then. You his roommate?
Yeah, that's me.
Were you here when it happened?
No, I was at my friend's house.
Who are your friends?
No smoking, Detective Gordon.
As I was saying, your friends, what are their names?
Jay and Damien. I don't really see why that's important.
Damien. Damien Waters?
Yeah, you know?
Yeah, his mom and I go way back. And back, I mean, you know, by hand of bleachers. You know what I mean, kid?
Come on now, Gordon. You're sick. We had a dead kid on the floor and now you answer for it.
The kid, what's his name?
Alex. Alex Reese.
And what's your alibi, Sophia?
I would never hurt any of the kids.
I didn't say you would. I'm just trying to figure out Adam's home situation.
It's Alex.
My bad. Hey kid, you alright?
Yeah, just a little bit shaken up by everything.
I'm sure you are, kid. I'm gonna head back to the office and tell the guys and catch them up on the investigation. Thank you for your time.
Come.
And hey, kid,
Yeah.
stay sharp. We got a murder in our hands.
Okay.
Should probably go check up on Leo.
Why? He probably just overslept.
He said something weird last night.
What do you say?
I don't know, but we should probably go check up on him.
Alright, let's go to his house.
You know where he lives?
Yeah, I dropped him off yesterday. He has a pretty nice place.
Alright, let's go.
Can I get one too?
Yeah, and he told
Are you Leo's brother?
Does he look like Leo's brother?
I don't know, it's 2018. You never know nowadays.
I think you guys have the wrong house.
Wait!
What?
We're looking for Leo.
Well, I hope you find him, but I can't help you.
If you do, just let him know we stopped by, alright?
No, I don't know any Leo.
Leo lives here. I jumped him outside before.
Well, I think I know there's a Leo living in my house. Now bye.
Wait, is it the right place?
Positive.
How come you didn't know who Leo was?
I don't know why he lied.
Let's just get the fuck out of here.
Hey, you got games on your phone? You have games in your house? Can we play Clue again? Go, I don't want to find Leo. I just want to play Clue. You know. Leo! Oh my god, bro, where you been at?
Bro, I've been waiting here for an hour.
Bro, we've been looking for your goof.
We went to your house.
Yeah.
We found someone who wasn't you.
Yeah, Jay was like, "Are you Leo's sister?" And she's like, "I don't know no Leo." And I was like, "What the fuck?" You know?
It wasn't like that. We went more like.
Okay, stop. I know what you're getting at. I don't live in that house. In fact, I don't live in the house.
What?
I kind of live in... I live in a foster home, okay?
Bro, I'm so confused. How can you tell you before?
Those nut jobs you talk about all the time, they're dead. And yeah, I'm an orphan, and it may be stupid and confusing or whatever. I haven't told you guys, but it's something personal to me, and I hope you guys can understand.
It was melodramatic.
Dude, what the fuck?
I'm sorry. I'm just not that good with the emotional.
Dude, what the f are you doing?
Sorry, I just thought it was the right moment. I'm not good with the emotional.
It's alright, just don't do that again. While we're all here, I have something to tell you guys. It's something else.
What is it, man?
I think we should sit down.
What the fuck?
How he died?
Bro, I don't even know. He was laying on the ground when I last saw him.
Was this your roommate?
Yeah.
Were you guys close?
Not really. He was a quiet dude. I don't really know anyone who want to kill him.
So you definitely